What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install AdminBolt on your Linux VPS step by step. Now, before we jump into the setup, let's quickly talk about what AdminBolt is and why you might want to use it. AdminBolt is a user-friendly web hosting control panel that makes it easy to manage your websites, domains, email accounts, databases, and more. It provides both an admin interface for server managers and customer interface for website owners. With AdminBolt, you can manage domains with DNS control, host websites with different PHP versions, set up email account forwarders, manage databases, and secure your site using SSL and other built-in tools. The biggest advantage here is simplicity and control. It gives you a clean, modern interface while still maintaining full control over your server. It is built with security in mind, offers reliable performance, and helps you save time by managing everything in one place. And when you run this on a RackNerd VPS, you get performance and stability needed to support a full hosting environment. Before we begin, there are a few important requirements to take note of. AdminBolt currently supports AlmaLinux 9 as the required operating system, so make sure that your VPS is deployed with AlmaLinux 9. You'll also need at least 2 GB of RAM, although 4 GB is recommended, a minimum of 2 CPU cores, at least 20 GB of disk space, and full root access to your server. If you don't have a VPS yet, you can deploy one from RackNerd.com and select AlmaLinux 9 during the setup process. Once your VPS is ready, connect to it via SSH using your preferred SSH client. Before installing AdminBolt, let's make sure that our system is updated. Run dnf update-y. Press enter and allow the update process to complete. Once your system is ready, we can proceed with the installation. AdminBolt provides an automated installation script, which makes the process very straightforward. You may also check their official documentation for more detail at docs.adminbolt.com/installation.html. I'll also put that in the description down below. To install the stable version, run this command. Press enter and let that script run. The installer will automatically download the required packages, configure services, and set up the AdminBolt control panel on your server. Once the installation completes, AdminBolt will generate your access URL, which typically looks something like this. Now open your browser and enter that URL. Once logged in, you'll have access to the full control panel. From here, you can manage domains, websites, email accounts, databases, and monitor your server resources all from one dashboard. If you run into any issues during installation, make sure your server meets the requirements, has internet access, and that required ports are not blocked by your firewall. You can also check the installation logs located here for more details. And that's it, you have successfully installed AdminBolt on your Linux VPS. You now have a powerful and user-friendly control panel that allows you to manage your entire hosting environment from one place. Running this on a RackNerd VPS gives you the performance, reliability, and flexibility that you need to scale your projects with confidence. If you're looking for fast and dependable VPS hosting, head over to RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more step-by-step guides on VPS hosting and server management, just like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.